Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Hey y'all, so let's talk about it because I got time today. I just have a couple questions. Number one, why do y'all be so mad when I do my little dancey dance? Like, does it tickle your feathers? Like, why are you so angry about my video? Number two, if you're so confident in yourself, why do you take the time to comment a paragraph in my comment section telling me how I cannot steal your man? You must be a little bit intimidated. And it's a joke. Nobody want that man that be cheating on you, be having you crying and throwing up. Some of y'all really be thinking I'm not a girl's girl, but I really am. Like, it's just a catchphrase. I'm just trying to encourage you to get in that kitchen, girl. You're gonna have kids and a husband one day. Get in that kitchen. And last, stop asking what's for dessert. Obviously, it's me. Girl, I can take your man with this meal I just cooked. Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Okay, so there was music in this part of the video, but she was just celebrating that she made 160,000 followers on TikTok. Thanks to everyone.
Girl, I can steal your
hating on
man
her.
with this dinner I just cooked, bro. Take a good look. Welcome to another video with Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Alright, so another section that had music playing that YouTube will likely not let me have on here, but overall the food looks really good. I like that she shows process of what she's making. She actually has the ingredients up there, but more of what people are watching for is because of her aesthetic. She's dancing. TikTok is a dance app. I remember there was like Charlie D'Amelio or something who was famous for being a white pretty girl and just dancing, and that's okay. She's young, she's beautiful, she's going to attract a lot of attention, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But unlike Charlie, whatever her name was, she's actually doing something that's pretty positive. She's cooking, she's helping people with finding recipes, and yes, she is rage baiting a bit, but that's what works, that's what gets the attention.
Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
So I did see some content creators saying that in their opinion her twerking in the videos was not, something that they would be approving of, something that they would do. I understand that, but again, we're talking about social media, we're talking about TikTok videos. There are people online doing way worse on the TikTok app, and most people on there are dancing, doing some form of dancing, including twerking. I don't think it's really bad. Honestly, she's off camera with a lot of it. It's not just blatantly in your face most of the time from what I've seen, and it's for a few seconds and then she gets right into her recipes. I think what women are mad about is that it's more the rage baiting of like, oh, I'll steal your man with this recipe or whatever. I think that's just cute. And then she makes a video where she's like, I really don't want your cheating man, and I just think it's cute. She's found her way on social media, and I hope that she gains so much more attention from this.
I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life. Get a job and a wife and change my ways. And I hope this apology impresses you, even though my grandmother made me do it.
Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
So I thought that part was funny, that her fake apology. But again, she's doing her thing online. I don't understand why women are hating. There was just a few weeks ago this camaraderie that women were saying that we're, sticking together, but then we get here where a woman's doing her thing, she's garnering male attention, and I really feel like that's what it comes down to. There's this fight for male attention that I really feel like we need to get over with, and I wish this girl the best. I think she's really cute, and one thing I do question though is how is she eating all this food and she's keeping her body like that. She looks great. But otherwise, I may check out some of these recipes. She hasn't come into my algorithm, so I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna try out some of this stuff.
One of y'all boyfriends last week asked me did I know how to make smothered turkey wings, so I thought I'd share my recipe. Welcome to another video, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya.
So something I didn't get to add in here because for some reason I couldn't find it as easily, but Kaya actually linked up with DDG, which I believe is Holly Bailey's like ex boyfriend, baby daddy, something. Anywho, he's a social media influencer and they linked up. She cooked for him. I saw the video through someone else, but I couldn't see the original. But here she is just cooking some wings and some rice, and I don't really see anything wrong with this. The food looks good, people are happy. Hey y'all, so everyone's talking about the cooking with Kaya situation, and honestly I've seen a lot of videos of hers at this point and I don't see anything wrong with her content. I can see why women are mad if they're extremely anti-women taking on, you know, traditional wife duties like cooking for men, but outside of that I really don't get the issue. She's happy, she's cooking, the food looks really good, and men are enjoying the content. She's not doing anything really lewd. She's, you know, she's cooking, she's doing a little dance, and she has a cute little catchy catchphrase, cooking with Kaya, cooking with Kaya. I mean, it's cute. I don't understand why anyone would be in their feelings. And listen, I follow 2 Asian guys. They're on YouTube and Instagram, and they are very good looking. They cook food and it's really quick hitters, and I watch their content. I'm not drooling in their comments, but I get the appeal of having a nice looking person, you know, cooking really nice meals. People love food and people love to look at pretty people. What's the problem? So I did tell my mom about this little situation. She has not seen the videos, but her perspective, this is a 70-something-year-old woman, was, oh, they're just jealous. They're just jealous. They hating on that girl, was what she told me. So I actually agree with her. Let me know what y'all think. Are y'all for cooking with Kaya, or do y'all have some reasons that I don't know of why cooking with Kaya is just not it? Tell me about it in the comments and I'll talk to y'all later.